give you the access.
Yeah, sure. I'll just share my screen. Let me know when the screen is visible. Is my screen visible, Joby?
Yeah, okay, perfect.
In today's class, we'll discuss about grep command, very important command. And today and tomorrow, we'll discuss this grep command. You know, if you go for any Linux interview, they are going to ask. This is very important command. Okay. Grep, you know the grep command, right? Have you ever used the grep command?
No,
No idea, nothing.
nothing.
Okay, fine. No problem. We'll discuss. Okay. See, let me open this man page, man grep. This is a grep command. What it does is grep searches for patterns in each file. Pattern is one or more patterns separated by new line character, and grep prints each line that matches a pattern. Typically, you can read it out all these things. You will be able to understand what grep stands to. Generally, grep stands for globally search a regular expression and print it. Okay, that is the abbreviation of grep. Grep, what is the abbreviation of grep is? This is the abbreviation of grep. Globally search a regular expression and print it. Okay, this is the abbreviation of uh, this grep, and there is another thing like regular, global regular expression print, and then even you can say like global regular expression phrasal. Okay, this is also another abbreviation. We can use grep command to search the given pattern in a single or multiple files. Yeah, as you can see these things in a man page, same thing. And what is the syntax is grep the pattern, what you want to search the pattern, you need to give the pattern here. You need to give the pattern here, and then the file name where you want to search the file name you need to give. Okay, this is the syntax. It prints all matched files. Okay, what we can do is just we'll create a file here. What I will say is let me use cat and then subjects.txt. I will say I'll just enter. The file should be present. I'll use nano subjects dot txt. I will say just click enter. I have some data here. I'll copy this data. Before that, what I can do is I will I will keep everything in a like tabular column fashion. Okay, this is fine. Bear with me for a few seconds. I mean, like I need to keep this one everything in proper manner. Then you will be able to understand easily. Okay, this is fine. I'll just copy the content here. You come down here, paste the content here. Perfect. Okay, spaces are there. What I will do? Let me remove the spaces. Perfect. I'll save it and close the file. Now to search data in a single file. First, we'll see this one. I want to search what content is available. Let me see subjects. If I give, you are able to see all the things. I want to search the name with Durga. For suppose I want to search with Durga. What I will say is Grep. What is the syntax? Single quotations. We need to search this pattern Durga, and then what is the file name? Sub subjects.txt. Just click enter. What it is saying? Nothing. It should give, but why it is not?
Capital letter, maybe capital letter.
Yes, maybe yes. It is going to take consideration, but instead of Durga, what I will do is I will search with Shiva. Single, I mean, small, lowercase is available, right? Shiva. And then subjects.txt, which is, yeah, yes, capital letter is it is case sensitive. We'll see that one in the coming session. I mean, like few minutes later. See, like this, you are going to search. Even you can see multiple things as well. This is how you are going to search. Even you can use double quotations also here. You can use, double quotations like this. Double quotations also, you'll be able to find it. That is the first thing, to search data in a single line. Second one is to search in a multiple files. Okay, what I will say, I will create another file, nano. I will say career dot txt file. I will open another file. What data I need to give. I'm just checking that data. Okay, let me give the same. I'll change some data, but I'll try to give. No, I'll try to give just three lines here. Why to waste our time? Just, but I will change here some few things here. I'll paste it here. Paste it this thing here. Okay, what I will do is instead of fees, I will say here salary. I'll say salary, and then instead of faculty, I will say I'll remove this faculty and just I will give name here instead of for their names. What I will do is I will change the names here. I will give my name. And I will give another name like this. Okay, I will give your name as well. I will say this is fine. This is fine. This is also fine. Then instead of subject, I will say here domain. Okay, domain. Yeah, this is perfect. This is okay. I'll remove the spaces here. Perfect. I'll save it. Now we have two files. One is subject.txt and career.txt. Now, if I want to search multiple things, what you can do is grep. I will search the same thing here. What is that? Shiva. We'll try it out without quotations. We'll try whether it is going to work or not. Shiva is in subjects.txt file, and then Shiva is not present in. Is Shiva present? I think Shiva is not present in career.txt file. We'll see. Yeah. See here. It is saying where it is present. Subjects.txt it is present. Fifth line it is present. It is showing here. What I will do is I will open careers page and I will give same Shiva name here. Instead of Sai, what I will do is I will give Shiva. Save it. Perfect. Now I will again search the same thing. Now see here, two we have got it. It is, I mean, like it is saying subjects.txt, fifth line it is present. This is the thing. Even career.txt it is present. Second line it is present. Java it is going to give like this. Okay.
You need a double quotes or single quote, right?
Yeah, double quotes and single quotes are optional. If you want to use, you can use it. Else, no need to use it. I didn't use the single quotation, double quotation here, right? I have just given. Even if you want, you can give it. If you want, you can give it here. Same thing, nothing. It is optional. Okay. Let me clear the screen. And if you want to search everywhere, grep and then Shiva, and then this is this one, you know, right? If you want to search in every file, it is going to, we need to give the while character star. Okay, if you don't want to search in only .txt file, you can give just star. It is going to search everywhere. Okay, everywhere it is going to see. It has searched in this snap directory as well. It has searched in the snap directory, but it didn't file. That is why it has given grep snap in the directory, something like that. Okay. That is what. Okay. To search data by ignoring case. I mean, like grep command by default, it is going to search the uppercase only. Like even we have seen it before. If you give Durga, then it is going to I mean, like if you give previously when we have given a small d and then we have searched, we got the error, right? It is not present, something like that. See, when I search like this, it is not present. Why? Because we have used the lowercase alphabet. By default, grep command search with the uppercase alphabet. If you want to ignore the case, what we can do is we can use, tell me what option, generally what option we'll be using here.
Yeah.
Tell hyphen I option, same everything in every argument, it will be same. Hyphen I argument, if you give, you are going to get. See, now we got it. That is how we can ignore the case by using hyphen I option. Simple thing. Grep Unix is available, right? And then I will give star.txt. I will give Unix is available. Sorry, grep spelling mistake I have given. But it is Unix is present, but uppercase U is present. For that, what I will say, if you want to ignore the case, just give hyphen I and just click enter. Now you are able to see all those things, right? We got the output. Okay, this is another thing to search to ignore the case. Next one is to display number of occurrences, to display the number of occurrences. Suppose Unix is present like in the previous command. How many times Unix is present? 3 times Unix is present. If you want to check this one, if you want to see the count, how you can do is hyphen C argument you can use. If you use hyphen C argument, you are going to get, see, in kds.txt file, it is present 1 time, and subjects.txt file, it is present 2 times. Okay. that is to check the count, how many times it has occurred. Hyphen C argument. Next one is to display number of lines before result. You want to display number of lines, right? For that, what you can do is simple thing. Just give hyphen N option. Hyphen N option, just click enter. I think we need to remove C. Else we'll remove, okay, we'll keep I and then we'll see. See, it is saying number of, at what line it is present. It is present at third line. Again, it is present at third line. It is present on fifth line. You are able to see, right? This one, fifth, 5, and then this is third line. You can check it. You can check it if you want to get the confirmation. See, where it is Unix is present in third line, right? See, that is why it has given the third line here. If you use hyphen N, it is going to give the line. Okay. That is what to display line numbers before results. To display only file names in which pattern exists. Suppose, I mean, like there are so many files are available. You are not sure in which file the pattern is available. For that purpose, what argument you can use is hyphen L, and then search. You need to give hyphen I as well to ignore the case, and then what is the thing you need to search? Unix. You need to search. You need to search. You want to search in every file. Okay, you don't know where it is present for that. That's why we will just do like this. Just click enter. See, it has given in this career.txt file it is present, subjects.txt file it is present, it is showing. If you give hyphen L argument, it is going to give where the pattern, this pattern is available in which file. Okay, it is going to give. To display only file names in which pattern it is available. That is what. Next one is to print exact matched lines, remaining lines. See, now as of now, what we have seen is we are just searching for the pattern which is matching. Suppose I don't want to see Unix, except Unix, I want to see the previous one. I don't want to opposite of this Unix. If you want to see excluding Unix, if you want to see, you can give hyphen V option. It is going to give excluding V, but we need to give here ignore case. Now click enter. See, now Unix is not there. Except Unix, everything it has printed. Okay. You can say unmatching of Unix if you want to see that one. Okay, that is what. Next one is to search for exact word in the file. You want to search exact word. For suppose you want to search exact word, what you can do is hyphen W option you can do. You cannot just remove this I and then search. There is no word, right? With capital U, if you give, you will be able to see. See, now it is present. Exact word it is going to give. It will take consider it is going to consider the case as well. W. Okay. Next, even you can combine these two as well. You can use this also, and then if you can change like this. You can use like this also. It even ignore the case and W word also you can use it. Even you can combine all the things as well. Whatever arguments we have used. Tell me whatever arguments we have used is hyphen C we have used, hyphen N we have used. Next, what is the next one? Hyphen L we have used. See, it will give all the things. If you don't give this one, just give like this one too. Okay. Are you clear so far? What all the arguments we have used? I think we have used so many arguments, right? Near about 8 arguments, I hope.
I, C, and W, V.
Yeah, I'll just note it down quickly for you. I mean, like hyphen I. What is the purpose of hyphen I? Ignore the case. Next, hyphen C. Count of number of occurrences. How many times it has occurred. Next, hyphen V, unmatched. Okay, next, hyphen N, number of line. I mean like at what line it is present. Which I mean like at what line it is present. Next, any other any arguments do you remember?
W.
Hyphen W, exact word. Exact word. Next, any other word? Any other?
W. Small area. L.
L is, yeah, L means where in which file it is present. Which file it is present. These are very important arguments. You know, in interviews they are going to ask you. Next. Yeah, I think this is all we have discussed. Hyphen V option we have discussed. Exact word. Yeah. So far we have discussed these things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, perfect. Now what there is another argument. This is somewhat interesting. See, you want to display, I mean like you have certain word. What I will do is I will just quickly create a file. I will quickly create a file. Friends.txt, sorry, friends.txt, and I will give some data here. Hello friends, how are you? Just simple data. Hello friends, how are you? I'll just save this data. Perfect. Okay. Now my requirement is when you see the data here, when you see the data, hello friends, how are you? Is there, right? Now I want to get the output. See, before how I want to get some data and after how some data I want to get. That is my requirement. There are arguments like if you give grep and then friends, if you search friends, and then what is the file name friends.txt, if you search you are going to get the friends. This is not my requirement. I want to get the data before and after. How you can do is just give this one and then capital A you need to give. You'll understand once you see this one, capital A, and then just click enter. Invalid, you need to give the length. I'll just give one here. One, just give space. Before and after. There is no content present before and after, right? What I will do is I'll quickly open the file and I'll just give the data as well. Okay, what I will say before I will enter what data I will give. DevOps, let me say Linux is very easy, isn't it? Linux is easy only, right? How are you feeling? Linux is tough.
Yeah, once we get that, then it become easy.
DevOps is what will say DevOps is a culture. Perfect. We'll save this. We'll save this data. Okay. Now I have given. Now, if you see the content available in friends.c, this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. Now I will use the same thing. See, now I will just click enter. See, now you got the friends after you searched for the friends word, we can say friends pattern, we can see after friends pattern we got one more line. Okay, Now I want to get I mean like friends, before there is another line, right? For that, what you need to say, you need to give hyphen B option. If you give B option, capital B, and then just click enter. See, now before line you got. Like that you can mention how many lines you want. There is an other argument, hyphen C option. Hyphen C means before and after both it is going to print. See, before and after it has printed. That is the purpose of hyphen capital A, hyphen capital B, hyphen capital C. Okay, even you can add so much of data. Oh, yeah, this is the, I mean like that is a arguments like hyphen uppercase A, uppercase B, uppercase C. Okay, next let's move to the other one. Search multiple content in a file. If you want to search multiple content in a file, let me open the file again, friends.txt, and I will add some more data here. Python is very simple to understand. Let me again give another one. Self-scripting is also easy. Just okay, I have given again some data. I have saved it. Now you want to search. Let me see what things, friends, I will say. See, now you want to search multiple content. First, I want to search easy, and then I want to search something like anything you want to search. How you can do that? Just simple way. You want to search grep hyphen I option you need to give to ignore the case, and then hyphen E argument you need to use. Then you need to search what you need to search. You need to search first DevOps. You need to search. Okay, DevOps you need to search. Next, what is the next option you need to search? Hyphen E, and then what is the other one? Linux you want to search. These quotations is optional. If you want, you can use it. Else you cannot. That is optional. And which file you want to search? Friends.txt. Just click enter. See, now you got the Linux line and then DevOps line as well, right? This is how you this is how you are going to use if you want to search multiple content in a file. Hyphen E argument. See, instead of using hyphen E argument, there is an inbuilt command. You can directly use egrep. Okay, egrep and then hyphen I. This is going to be the syntax. Double quotations, parenthesis, you need to give parenthesis, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. What is the thing you need to search? DevOps you need to search, and then just give pipe symbol. What is the other thing you need to search? Linux you need to search. Where you need to search? What is the file name? Just click enter. Same thing. This is the syntax. egrep hyphen I, double open parenthesis, close parenthesis, double quotations. Okay. Even if you go for any interviews, they are going to ask this question: what is the difference between grep and egrep?
Show me the previous command. Egrep minus I.
Egrep.
Oh, got it.
See, why you are using this egrep is if you want to search the multiple content in a single file. For that purpose, you are going to use this egrep. Even instead of using this egrep, you can use grep, and then with I have showed right like this also you can use hyphen E argument also. Okay. Okay, let me move to the next one. Grep with hyphen F option or F grep. F grep means this is the thing. F grep. There is another hyphen E argument. Grep with capital F option. Option means argument or F grep. This is the one. F grep. What is the meaning? What is the abbreviation of F grep? Is fixed string global regular expression print. It will take a group of fixed strings and search for those in a given file. Strings should be separated by new line. Okay, this is the purpose of upgrade. What I will do is we have the data available in friends.txt file. I'll just use the grep -f and then what is the what I will say here Linux. Sorry, I need to use small Linux. Just click enter. Next, you need to again give like this. Sorry. What is the other one is Unix. Sorry, not Unix. Unix is not present in our um, like this, and then space where you want to search friends.txt. Going to fail. We'll see what it happens. No, this is not the thing. Just we need to give like this. Let me try it out in one. We need to enter the new line. New line we need to enter by separate. Let me give like this time. And then you want to search what is another one? DevOps you need to search. What is friend name? See, friends .txt Linux is available. Slash and why I have given no slash n is not working. New line we need to use. We'll see here. Just click enter. No. How to enter to new line? Okay, searching that one. Shift enter. No, shift enter is not the one. Need to enter the new line. That is what I'm looking for. I'm not sure. I just forgot how to enter the new line. No, this is also not the one. No, I mean like I'm not how to enter to new line. Do you have any idea how to enter to new line?
Alt enter.
Alt enter. Yeah, I have tried it as well. I'm not able to. And here, when you enter here, you know the greater than symbol should come here. Perfect, perfect. I got it. I got it. Just remove this one. Just clear the screen. Grep. You need to use double quotations here, and then what is the first one you need to use? Linux. Now just click enter. You need to give just like this. Enter, and then what is the next one you need to find out? DevOps you need to find out. And then friends.txt. Now if you want to come out this one, just control C. Or this is fine. No. How to come out of that one again? This is another thing. Hyphen capital F. I think I need to close it. Then it is going to work out. Line X. Just enter. DevOps. Just give the close the quotations here. Friends.txt. Just now you are able to see, right? Okay. Now we got this thing. What you need to give is you need to start the quotation here after Linux. Just click enter. Again, like greater than symbol will come. Again, you need to give the second pattern word or anything. Just close the quotation and then give the file name and just like that. Okay. Instead of using grep with -f, there you can directly go with fgrep. And then same thing, you can give the same thing fgrep and then like this, Linux, enter, DevOps, and then like this, like this, you can use it. Same thing. Okay. Fgrep can be used only for strings and cannot be used for regular expressions. Keep this one in mind. Fgrep can be used only for strings. That means like alphabets, all those things. You cannot be used for regular expressions. Okay. Okay, now normally grep command cannot understand some regular expressions patterns like this pipe symbol. Grep cannot understand the symbol, but egrep command can understand any regular expression patterns. That is like egrep command can understand the regular patterns expressions. Hence, egrep is more powerful when compared with the grep command. Even fgrep command is also not able to understand the regular expressions. Only egrep command can understand the regular expressions. That is why it is very powerful. Okay. Um, yeah, I mean, like we can see this one grep and then hyphen I, and then you want to search same thing. I have used it previously, right? You want to search Linux, and then pipe symbol, and then DevOps you want to search. Now come out of this one. What is the file name you want to search? Friends.txt. Now if you give with the grep, it is not able to understand the regular expression. That is why we didn't get anything. Okay. If you want to get, I mean, like if you use this with the egrep, then it is going to give you the output. That means it has understood the regular expressions. In this case, okay. Okay, in this case, I mean, like in the above case, I mean, like this case. In this case, this one, this one, this entire thing, just give me 1 minute, I'll just show this one. This is the one. This one, it has considered as a string. This thing, it has considered as string with for egrep. Okay, it didn't understand as a regular expression. When you use this egrep, when you use egrep, then it is going to take it as regular expression. That is the difference between grep and egrep. In the okay, when you use egrep, when you use this egrep, that has gone. This command, when you use this command, egrep, and then if you search this Linux DevOps, what it is going to take is it is not going to consider this entire thing as a string. It is going to consider as it as a regular expression. It is going to search either for Linux or DevOps. That is why it has printed both the results. Okay.
The above one is there considering as the entire string, so that's why it's not working.
Yes, it is considered above one. It is considering this one as a string. That is why we didn't get the output, because if you want to get the output, what we can do is I'll just show that one as well. Just enter. What is the thing we have used? Linux DevOps, right? This is the one we have used right there. Now use the same thing here. Now just click enter. Now you are able to see, right? It has considered as a string. That is why you got the output, because this exact match string is available, right? Now if you use egrep, if you use egrep here, you are not going to get this one. You are going to get, see, you got Linux, you got DevOps, even you got this one as well. That means, I mean, like this, either Linux it is going to give, either DevOps it is going to give, even this one is also it has given. Okay. That is the difference between egrep and fgrep. egrep and fgrep are deprecated, and hence it is recommended to use grep with capital E option and then grep with hyphen F command. If strings are available in the file, then we can use hyphen lowercase f option to specify file name. Simple if you want to use with, I mean, like grep and egrep and egrep. Instead of using egrep and fgrep, you can use grep and grep with argument hyphen e. else capital U, you can use it. That is the meaning of that one. Okay. Okay, we'll I mean like this is we have discussed so many things here. Again, if I move forward, there are like we need to use wild characters and we need to discuss. We'll discuss in the tomorrow class the remaining things.
Okay.
Because you will get confused, it is like confused. I mean like the upcoming topic is like a little bit confusing thing. You need to use the wild characters like the range like this, you need to search like that. That is why if I discuss today itself, you are going to get confused. We'll discuss that thing tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. I mean like do a revision of this one. When you come tomorrow, do revision of this one. Again, you'll get confused. Whatever the arguments we have discussed, just 5 minutes of your time. Spend 5 minutes of your time. Okay. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll close this grep command. It is like a big one. It is very important command. Tomorrow we'll close this grep command. Next we'll move to cut, paste, and tr command. After that, we are going to discuss file permissions, and after that, we are going to discuss with working with editors. Then the Linux, the first part will be completed. Then we'll move towards the shell scripting. I think by this week we'll be able to complete. Tomorrow is Thursday, Friday. Okay. Yeah, we'll try to close it by this week, the Linux part, and by Monday. I mean, like if you don't complete by Friday, I'll take class on Saturday morning as well. Saturday or Sunday morning, I'll let you know so that we can close this Linux part one by this week. Coming Monday, we can start with the shell scripting. Okay.
Okay.
You are comfortable with 1 day, right? Just 1.5 hours if you spend, we can complete Saturday. We can just 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour time. I need 1.5 hour.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, then we didn't get chance to discuss link creation of link files. You have some doubts, right? We'll
Okay.
discuss that tomorrow. Just
Okay.
paste me whatever doubts you have in the WhatsApp. We'll discuss that tomorrow class. Tomorrow definitely I'll discuss the doubts of creation of link file. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye, Jody. Bye. Have a
Bye.
great day. Bye.
You too.